Campbell's home-style chicken noodle soup is 940 milligrams of sodium in a half a cup. Their double noodle chicken soup has got 790. That's more than we're going to have in our whole pot. And it's going to be real good. I weighed my veggies before I cut them. 200 grams in the carrots came up to 1 3/4 cup. 138 milligrams of sodium. 200 grams of celery chopped up to 1 2/3 of a cup at 160 milligrams. 1/3 of a red bell pepper, sliced and chopped, 2 milligrams. All this is going to go in the pot with 12 ounces of chicken breast, boneless, skinless. Cut it up a little bit. Going to cook that and then shred the chicken. I'm making this for a daughter whose stomach is a little upset today. Normally I put in half of an onion, but today I'm just putting in maybe a tablespoon. And a very small minced garlic clove. In my pot is 5 cups of bottled water that has no sodium. 1 bay leaf, a pinch of thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano leaves. And Herb Ox sodium-free chicken bouillon. 5 of these little packs in my pot. Oh, that's Scooter barking. I've chopped up about 2 tablespoons of parsley. I'm going to set this aside because it's just about the last thing that goes in. Put all this stuff in my pot. Put a cover on it. Simmer it until that chicken is done and the veggies are tender. Little garlic, little onion, not much. She'll be happy with that. On my stove until it all gets cooked. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. I like a hearty soup. I don't want to have to look for the chicken or the veggies. The chicken probably took about 20 minutes. I shredded it and put it right back in there to simmer a little bit more. Got to remove your bay leaf and throw that away. But I cooked 4 ounces of egg noodles. That's 15 milligrams of sodium. Rinsed it in cold water and put no more than a teaspoon of olive oil in them. Stirred them up a little bit so they didn't stick and end up being one great big noodle. Our whole bowl has got 545 milligrams of sodium. It measures out to be in 12 cups, or 46 milligrams of sodium per cup. And I've got 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley to put right in at the end. You can freeze this soup, but I suggest not freezing it with the noodles. They can get a little soggy, but you can freeze that soup. And then just add noodles as you need to. This is really good, hearty soup. No hunting for the veggies or the chicken. Easy to make. Pretty to look at. Wonderful flavor.